Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I want to talk about what to do if you were not selected in H1B lottery. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so if you were not selected in the H1B lottery, and when I say H1B lottery, I mean the process, application process, and your petition was returned, here is what you can do. This is something that I want to propose as a plan B for those who were not selected or your petition was denied. Back in 2010, I was in identical situation. Actually, I was looking for a job. I was a fresh law school grad from Northwestern University School of Law in Chicago, and I was looking for a job, and I could not find H1B visa sponsor. Then my status was about to expire, my OPT was about to expire. I actually found this lawyer who was willing to sponsor me. So we filed H1B for H1B. And by the way, back then, it was the same quota. It was 80,000 applicants per year. However, back then, obviously less than 85,000 people actually applied, so chances to be selected definitely were high. However, we got requests for additional evidence, and unfortunately this lawyer was not able to provide the documents. He vanished, and so I needed to figure out what are my next steps. And at that point I actually left the United States because I didn't have a status in the United States, a legal status. And I started my own business. I started my own company, and you know, I started from scratch. I didn't have any prior entrepreneur or business experience. I was a lawyer, and I started to serve other people through different websites that I created around the world. And I'm sharing this story with you because I want to give you hope. Like, you can make it happen on your own, even though you don't have any experience. If you have the willingness to make it happen, and the persistence, because that's not going to happen overnight, right? So I started my own business, and 6 months later, or actually 1 year later, I returned back as an investor. And this is the plan B that I want to share with you. You have basically plan B to start your own business. And here are things why I really support this idea. First of all, you're going to be in control. You are in control of your life, of your future, and of your business. No more slaving, all right? Number two, you can actually generate way more money as a business owner than someone who is employed. Number three, you don't depend on anybody when it comes to scaling your company and applying for a green card. You are your own boss. Number four, you decide how your life will look like. And again, you are not a victim, or you are not someone who is going to be mistreated, because there's so many horror stories around H1B, you know, and how actually these people are being mistreated and underpaid and etc. So you won't be facing this situation. You create your own life. Now, the downside is that you have to really work hard. Like, if you don't work hard and don't take a risk, nothing's gonna happen, you know. At the same time, you have a full control, and you're the boss, and you decide, and you can change it, right? You have the control, which I believe is the most important thing. And later you can literally scale the company and find a way how you get a green card eventually, if that's your end goal. So this is something that I've been helping to accomplish other entrepreneurs, and over the years I have helped different foreign entrepreneurs and actually business owners with different business models to actually start businesses in the United States and make it happen and apply for E2 visas, or as an alternative, if you're not from the treaty country, for L visa. So if this is something that you guys want to learn more about, I do want to invite you for the upcoming webinar training that I'm hosting next week. And the link is going to be below this video. I also want to invite you to check out the free case study where I'm exactly guiding you step by step how I made it happen from a student to investor. So the case study I'm gonna link below this video as well. And also I wanna invite you to check out the training, how to start without any funds, right? Especially if you don't have any funds, because for E2 visa you need funds. You don't need millions, you don't even need $500,000. Like, these are all misconceptions. So if you hear this story, don't buy into it, because that is not accurate. However, if you don't have any funds, you can just get started with no funds. And I do have a training, particular training that might be very helpful, and I'm going to link that training below this video as well. So I do hope that this is helpful. If you have any questions, any comments, you can leave them below. And again, like, don't be discouraged, don't be frustrated. Like, I understand it's a difficult situation. You went to school in the United States, you pay money, you pay a lot of money, you put energy, effort, and now you are lost because your petition was not processed. You don't know what to do. You probably need to return back home. You don't know what is the plan B, right? You don't want to pay a lawyer because you don't have the funds. Maybe you have funds, but you don't trust anybody, so you're feeling stuck. And I absolutely understand. At the same time, I want to give you hope, because there is a way. So keep that in mind, guys, and don't be discouraged. There is a reason why you're here. There is a reason why you went to school in the United States, and there is a reason why you want to live in the United States, and there is also a reason why you want to live the American dream. So trust that reason, trust yourself. There is a way. If you want to find the way, you will find the way. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos.